guys, welcome to Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen, and today we are so happy to be at Maasai Koroga. Karibuni.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, Angie. Hey.
My name is Bosh. Koroga
Nice to
Chef.
meet you.
Thank you very much. Welcome to Koroga.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, so I'm here to cook with you.
Yeah, welcome to Koroga.
Asante sana.
Together.
Yeah.
It's my assistant chef, Safari.
Ali. Nice to meet you, Ali. So what are we cooking today?
No, I'm cooking. This is called Indian language is mixed bhajiya. The ingredients is the green pepper, carrot, and some potato, and some onion, some green chili.
Yeah.
Later I mix with some spices.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I'm start the cut. Yeah. This one first. It's okay?
Yes, sure.
Then I put all the ball one place together. Yeah.
Okay.
Then I add little bit coriander. This is dhania and the coriander whatever you tell. Yeah. After that I'm putting gram flour. Yeah. This is gram flour. Is mixing together.
Oh, bhajiya.
It is mixed bhajiya together. Yeah.
Okay.
You decide how many you have. You don't make it light. Don't make too much strong. Yeah.
Okay.
Get it crispy. Yeah. First, after that, come this side, like a teaspoon is garlic.
Garlic.
Like a teaspoon and ginger. Yeah. This is turmeric. Yeah. This is Indian language called jeera powder. Means cumin seed powder. Yeah. This is garam masala. Yeah. This is dhania powder. All together like 1 teaspoon. This is whole cumin seed. And this is salt.
All right.
Yeah. Salt, taste, flavor. How much is it do you want? Only use.
Yes.
That way. Don't push too much. Salt you can be reduced. Here it's yogurt.
Yogurt.
Already yogurt and the food color red, salt, some oil, yeah, and a little bit ginger and little bit garlic. Yeah, everything is too much is yogurt.
Okay.
And oil. Just remove your water nicely. Put here. Then mix it your hand. That's why that magnesium to masala to go inside
To allow
nicely.
the masala to go inside.
Yeah. And already my bhajiya is ready. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
But my bhajiya is ready already.
ready.
This is the tandoori. It's very hot. My assistant chef is putting the chicken, the tandoori inside right now.
Okay.
Now I put tandoori inside. This is gone inside. Maybe 15 to 20 minutes, 25 minutes inside. Checking. It's going to be ready. I have the samosas.
Okay.
I'm going to be 140 degree inside. It's hot and deep fried only.
And guys, this was our starter for today, bhajiya, and we have some sauce to accompany with it. And it's very, very yummy, amazing. I can't wait for the main menu. So guys, we've come to the end of our video at the kitchen. Yeah, we have our chicken tikka, we have bhajiya, and samosas.
Mutton.
Yeah, and the sauces are amazing. I love them. So we're gonna enjoy the meal today, but we have a long day to go today because we have a grand opening of the car wash at Maasai Koroga. As you can see, Vicky's Kenyan kitchen is growing. We have our car wash at Maasai Koroga. We have Vicky's homes. If you want to book with us, don't hesitate. Reach out for more information and we will get back to you. As for today, I'm very happy to eat this food. And thank you for cooking. Asante sana. The teamwork was awesome. Amazing. Yeah. Thank you so much. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. My name is Vicky.
My name is Elon.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
Yeah. So how long have you been working here?
I've worked here for around 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you are a new employee.
Yeah.
And how is
so
it going?
far, so good.
Okay, how is it going?
It's good. It's not bad.
Yeah. How is
We're
the place?
enjoying- The place is good. Yeah.
What is good about this place?
Okay. At Maasai Koroga,
Yeah.
the food here is an affordable price. The environment is good. You can come here, you enjoy with your family.
Yes.
Yeah, when you have kids, they can enjoy. You have bouncing castle, and they can enjoy the place.
Okay. Would you recommend anyone?
Yeah, I recommend people to visit Maasai.
Yes.
It's a beautiful place.
Okay.
They can enjoy the place. They can enjoy the food. They can enjoy everything around Maasai.
And we also have a car wash. Apart from just food, like they cook for you, they serve you. We also have, it's called Koroga Market.
Yeah, Koroga.
It's on Fridays. On Fridays, you can come. We will do the cuttings, right?
Yeah.
The onions we cut for you, tomatoes, and all the ingredients we provide for you. If you go for chicken, we give you chicken. If you go for meat, we give you meat. And you see these little houses. What do you call these small houses?
The bandas.
The bandas, yeah. So you choose the banda you want. You can see the banda have names. This is Mariakani, there is Eldoret, there is Kisumu, there is Mombasa. And you choose the banda you want and we provide the things for you at affordable charges, right? Yeah. We have things we can offer you, you cook together with your family or friends. So that's why it's called Maasai Koroga Country Club. Because we have bandas, you can cook for yourself. Yes, it's fun. Actually, guys, come and join us. It's amazing. It's a good experience, you know, away from home and cooking. If you love of cooking or food, this is the place to be. Come join us. Hello.
Hello.
I just met a giraffe at the park in Maasai Koroga. See him. I'm this short, come on. What's your name?
I'm called David.
I'm Vicky.
Oh, welcome
Nice to meet
Koroga.
you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, how long have you been working here?
2 years now.
2 years.
Yeah.
And how is the experience?
It's a good company.
Yeah.
And working with Maasai Koroga is a pleasure.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah.
So you love being here?
I love being here.
Okay, and what is good about this place? Can you tell us?
Okay, the atmosphere here is cool, as you can see. There's no much noise from the backgrounds or from the neighborhood. And then this place is free.
Yeah.
Everybody's welcomed.
Yeah.
People around here are very friendly and they are welcoming.
Yeah.
So I think it's the best place for everybody.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank
I
you.
actually did the chicken tikka with you, chef,
Oh yeah,
and I really loved it.
chicken
I
tikka
look
is
forward next time without pressure when I'm not working, then just enjoy that chicken tikka, you know.
Well,
I loved it so
Yeah.
much.
it's always best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Was very nice to talk to you and I hope to see you again.
Thank you so much.
basi, mimi mfupi. Alright, just being funny. Guys, I'm very happy being part of Maasai Koroga. It's been fun and amazing being here with the team, the 2 guys and a lady. So we say, welcome to Maasai Koroga. Asanteni sana, but the party still continues because today we have a grand opening of our car wash. Stay with us to the end of the video. Let's get starting, eh? You want kuroka rigidi.
So Vicky, we are here because of you. Ile makasi ya ribbon iko wapi? Kuna ile makasi Sharon. Sogea karibu mama. Ama unakata na nani? Nyinyi ndo mtakuwa hapa. So lazima timu yote ile itakuwa na Vicky hapa. Isogee. Alafu haya. Vicky tu nani unataka mwingine wakati naye ambao au one of the guests ambao wanakuja kusupport sura mama kwa jicho.
I have Angie and Vicky and 2 Angies.
Angie, Vicky and 2 Angies. Angie, songa huko mbele tafadhali. And the other Angie and Vicky. Wako wapi?
And everyone else please come.
Wote unajua kuna hatuwezi shika yote. Neema kupatia high heels maana mba sport. Hatamuona. Neema kuja. Alright sir. We are counting from 10 to 1, eh? We are counting from 10 to 1, sawa? I hope you're ready. DJ patia soundtrack sauti kidogo hiyo house, eh? Nice, eh? Pop it up. Make some noise for Vicky! Come on in. Here. Come on, up.
Hello everybody, it's been amazing. I've had a lot of fun, and as you can see, everyone is smiling and happy. We have shake bum bum, we have ate, we have done everything, and we are so happy. The video was a success and the event was a success. So guys, tune in for our next video, and for now I say ciao ciao.